Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to give you a great hack, a great tip for you to make your cakes, your cookies, your cupcakes extra special. We are going to do chocolate shreds. You didn't know you could shred chocolate like you could shred cheese? Yes, you can. And I know I did another video with chocolate shards. Shards, shreds, well, that one little letter makes such a difference. These are awesome. Now, before I get started with this really simple hack, I want you to click the notification button because I really want you to become a subscriber. I don't want you to miss any of my videos or great tips like this. And I want to see you in my kitchen. I enjoy having you into my kitchen and showing you different recipes. Okay. So I like to buy a big block of dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or white chocolate, and it should be a thick block like this. I put it on a plate, and I'm going to microwave it on the lowest power your microwave is capable of. Everyone's microwave is different, all right? So you have to sort of feel the chocolate to get it feel. You don't want it melted. You just want it just a little give to it, that's all. So first I'm going to do 15 seconds on my power one. All right, 15 seconds. And if we have to do like 5 seconds after that and 5 seconds after that, we will. But you don't want to melt it. No melting of the chocolate. Because as you can see, I have my box grater because we're going to shred this chocolate. All right, so I'm going to feel it. And we're not there yet, really hard. Now, this is dark chocolate. So I'm going to give it another 15. I will tell you, I did it with white chocolate, a brick of white chocolate, and it only took about 15 seconds. White chocolate is different than dark chocolate. White chocolate is flavored cocoa butter. So you have to sort of take each chocolate differently, and each make of chocolate is different. Now this one melted on one side. I think we're okay. Let's give it a shot, shall we? So one side usually gets a little melted, but it has a little give to it. All right. And what you want to do is you want to put it on the longest side. And I still think I might need a little bit longer, but I'm going to try it. Because I don't want to overmelt. All right. Now, if it doesn't, we're gonna shred it on this side. All right, and it should shred really nicely. You want it to go down the longest side. I'm going to do a few more shreds for you. See that? It's gorgeous, and it looks like shredded cheese, right? For lack of a better term. And look for an upcoming recipe where I actually do this and use this as a cheese. As you can see, I did it with white chocolate, and it will melt a little bit in your hand, so you just have to lick it off, right? Someone has to. And these are beautiful, so you can store them at room temperature as long as your chocolate has been tempered, and when you purchase chocolate, it usually has been. So this can be used on top of a cake, on top of a cupcake, and it's just different. It's different than a chocolate shard. It's shredded chocolate. I'm going to get back to shredding more chocolate. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you become a subscriber. Till next time.